Hit it, mama. Hit it. Hit it. There you go. There you go. Now you know. Do it again. Come on. Do it again. Almost. Oh, other hand. Come on, mama. Oh, come on. You can do it. Come on, almost. You can do it, mama. Come on, you can do it. You can kick it. You can grab it. Come on. You were doing it earlier. Come on. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you did it. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, almost. Oh. What you got there? Jewel? Oh. Okay, we wiped it on your shirt. We wiped it on your shirt. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. You waving? Hi, baby. Come on, I'm gonna hit it. There you go. Did you just realize you did that? Now you can do it again. Oh, there you go. Oh, you just missed it. Ooh. No noises today, love? Come on, you did it. You can do it. You can do it, mama. You can do it. Almost, come on, get that hand up. What happened, Charlie? You lost your bone? Look at your sister. Come on, mama, you can do it. You're looking right at it. Oh, good job. Again. Oh, there you go. I think you realize what you're doing. There you go. Your perception is on now. What are you working on, Bella? Your bone? Where's your brother's bone? Charlie, where's your bone? Let's go look for your bone. Come on, buddy. No, sit. Sit down. Good boy. Let's look for your bone. Wait. Bless you, Mama. There goes that boy. There it is. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Mama, I'm back. How you doing? You gonna give it a good whack for me? There you go. Good job. Do it again. You know you're doing it now. Do it. There you go. Love you, babe.